In this video, we're diving into a light that's not just functional, but also incredibly fun, the Neewer RGB Light Wand Tango Lima 20 Charlie. Whether you're vlogging, doing studio photography, or just want to add a little extra vibe to your setup, this handheld light stick might just be what you need. Let's check it out. This is the Neewer RGB Light Wand. It's a versatile handheld LED light that delivers full RGB colors with 17 scene effects to spark your creativity. Before we get too technical, let's talk about the basics. Taking it out of the box, we find the wand feels super lightweight, just 9.5 ounces, and is small enough to use with one hand comfortably. But don't let its size fool you. It's got 195 powerful LEDs, which deliver up to 730 lux of brightness at a half meter. So even though it's small, it pretty much packs a lighting punch. The build quality is solid too, with a textured grip that makes it easy to hold during longer shoots. Plus, the built-in magnets mean you can attach it to pretty much any metal surface, perfect for when you need that overhead light but don't want to rig up a whole stand. The control panel is super intuitive. You've got brightness control, color temperature adjustments, and a 2500K to 8500K and GM or green magenta compensation to help you dial in that perfect color. And when it comes to RGB mode, you have complete control over the hue, saturation, and intensity. Basically all the tools you need to paint with light. They also include 17 special lighting effects, which is where this thing really gets fun. You can go from a police car effect to lightning or even recreate a candle-lit scene. It's like having a whole film studio's lighting setup in your backpack. Oh, and the battery. It's got a 2550 milliamp hour lithium battery, which gives you about 140 minutes of continuous use at full brightness. Plus, it charges via USB-C, thank goodness, and even supports PD fast charging, which means you can get back and running in no time. And let's talk color. Sometimes I just want clean white light, like when I'm shooting a product review or need that natural look on my face for virtual meetings. But when I want to get creative, that's when I switch on those RGB colors. I love using the red and blue hues to create a moody atmosphere for B-roll or even add some neon vibes to a background shot. It's also a blast just to use in a casual setting, like at a party or a live concert. Just switch on one of the presets like fireworks or party mode and you instantly have an atmosphere that's more exciting. It's like a party in your pocket. So what do I love about this light? First, the magnetic attachment is a game changer. It makes positioning super easy. The brightness and color control are great too, and I love how compact it is. You can easily throw it in your bag without taking up too much space. There's not much I would change about this. Of course, we would all always love more battery life, so we could take a look at that, especially at maximum brightness. But hey, it's USB-C chargeable, so at least you don't have to wait too long for it to power back up. Another thing is that while the effects are super fun, they might not be practical depending on your kind of work. So be sure and take a look at the listing of effects for this LED light and see if it will work for you. But for content creators, vloggers, and photographers, it's a versatile tool that adds a lot of creative options. Overall, I think the Neewer RGB Light Wand Tango Lima 20 Charlie is an amazing addition to any content creator's toolkit. It's versatile, fun to use, and packs enough features to keep things interesting, whether you're vlogging, streaming, or just experimenting with different lighting styles. Plus, the ability to mount it pretty much anywhere means you can get creative with your shots without needing a ton of other equipment. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for even more tech reviews. And this LED light would pair perfectly well, especially if you're throwing them both in your travel bag with the Jabutsu Magic Arm. Check out this video for more information to see how you could put this arm together with this light and have an amazing and versatile on-the-go LED light. That's it for me. retroCombs out.